Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you never miss a quick productivity tip for Microsoft Teams. If you want to reduce eye strain, give your screen a sleek new look, or simply make your workspace more comfortable, switching to dark mode in Microsoft Teams is a great move. Open Microsoft Teams in your web browser and look toward the top right corner. You'll see 3 small dots, the More Options button. Click it, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings panel, find and click Appearance on the left-hand side. This is where you can adjust how Teams looks and feels. Under the Appearance section, locate the Theme Settings drop-down. From the list of themes, choose Dark. Instantly, your Microsoft Teams interface will switch to a darker, more modern look that's easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. That's it. Your Teams is now in dark mode. You can always switch back to the default theme or try another style anytime by following the same steps. A small change like this can make a big difference in comfort and focus during long work sessions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.